Hey South Gwinnett families, welcome to Algebra 2. My name is Taylor Emmons. I normally go by Coach Emmons. So I'm really excited for this year. I know this year has been really challenging for some families and some other aspects as well. But education is what's going to bring us together, and we're going to make sure that your kid is provided the best education possible. So this year we'll be focusing on quadratics, polynomial functions, rational and radical relationships, and then next semester we'll move into exponential and logarithmic functions. We'll do some mathematical modeling, and then we'll close out the year with statistics unit. So Algebra 2 is a lot like Algebra 1. However, last year your students had geometry. So we'll use a little bit of geometry, but it'll be more kind of focused on Algebra 1 concepts. A lot of the students will see things that they've already seen in the past, so it's kind of like a review. However, that being said, if your kid was struggling in Algebra 1, we might need to make sure that they're taken care of as we're going along. So in order to contact me to make sure that we stay ahead, on the home page there is my email, and that's probably going to be the fastest way to contact me besides the Remind. Every student's going to create a Remind account and then join my class so that they can contact me directly if they have specific questions. That's the fastest way to get to me, just because we're in the building. Making a phone call is kind of difficult since I don't have cell service. So if you want to contact me via email or via the Remind, that is fabulous. Some other things. So for supplies, since we're at home, I'm only going to require a spiral notebook. So they'll just take notes that way. Everything else will be on the computer. If you don't have a computer, please contact the school because you need your own device, and not just a phone, but an actual laptop. And down at the bottom of this page, there is a question and contact form. And if you want to fill that out with any questions or concerns, I know this time has been really challenging for most people. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me or fill out the contact form. It'll take me about a day or two to actually get back to you. So just give me 48 hours. And if you haven't heard back in 48 hours, contact me again, because maybe I didn't get the email. Last thing I'm going to say, most people ask about a calculator. And that being said, you can go buy your own calculator. I prefer most students get the TI-83. However, there are some different options, especially with having a device at home. The kids can download on their phone a TI-83 calculator. And I will be posting that on the eClass page to make sure that they have it. There are calculators at Walmart. They run about $100. I would if you can avoid that, that's great. When the students are in class, normally I would provide them a calculator. And if you have any issues, you need to talk to me about getting a calculator, that's fine, just let me know. But there's a couple of different softwares, and so hopefully just downloading it will be helpful to the student. But please reach out to me if you have any issues. Again, give me about 1 day, maybe 2, to get back to you on stuff. But other than that, I hope to have a great year. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Go Comets!